Hello and welcome to another Python hack series, and today I would like us to talk about list comprehensions. And what we want to do today is we just want to print out the even numbers given a list. So we can count this, let's use this variable called even numbers, and then let's just have this series in this list. And so what we want to do, we can just say even numbers is equal to this num. So for num in even numbers, okay, so if num is divisible by 2, and if we divide num by 2 we get 0, then let's print out those numbers. Essentially that's what this line of code is doing. As you can see, we are just using 3 lines of code instead of using 6 or 10 lines of code in a for loop or even a while loop. Okay, so let's see the outcome of this. And as you can see here, 2, 4, and 6 are the even numbers. And there's also another way that we can do this. We can even make it shorter, so we can say for num, even nums, let's say even numbers. Even numbers is equal to, and for num in range, let's use the range function here to generate this, so we don't have to do it manually, so to generate these numbers for us. And again, if num that because this is an iterable object, so we are iterating through all the numbers inside this sequence of numbers. And so if num is divisible by 2 is equal to 0, then what we want to do, we want to print those even numbers. And you can see this, we're now only using only 2 lines of code, so let's print those even numbers. And I tend to think this is very cool and elegant. It's very powerful, and it's all about code optimization. Why not? I think I like list comprehensions. And it's all, and you can see all the even numbers we have here. Let's reduce this so that you can, for visibility's sake, same thing. So we have here 2, 4, 6, 8. And so I think this is a very powerful tool that we should use as Python coders. And it's all encapsulated in Tim Peters. For instance, if you remember Tim Peters, in the Zen of Python. So if we import this,